we are back at one of our other properties cleaning out the gutters. We've been using an attachment to reach the gutters, but when you have a flat roof with this kind of access, it sometimes is just easier to get the ladder out and climb up on the roof and blow the debris away with our Stihl BR600 backpack blower. Please check out some of our other videos showcasing all the wonderful projects we have been accomplishing here at our big house in the Little Woods. Also, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our newer videos. Thanks for watching.